Good morning. It's me, King Kai, once again. Alright, look, as you read in the title, I'm about to give you guys the one thing that you're gonna need to make life easy in the gym, I promise. Like, okay, hold on, open up. I'm about to give you guys a spoonful of knowledge right now, because I'm about to give you guys the easiest thing that you need for your gym journey now. What is it? It's not Gymshark gear. It's definitely not steroids. It's not any of that garbage. You ready for this? It's momentum. That's it. That's what you're gonna need. Oh, it's not as sexy as you thought it was gonna be, but no, that's it. So momentum is gonna be the biggest thing that you need if you're gonna get anywhere in the gym, and then after that, it becomes super easy, I promise. When we start to try to improve ourselves, whether it be physically, mentally, financially, emotionally, or whatever, in the beginning, it can be very daunting. And there's also this point in the beginning that I call like the dark point. And this is when you don't see any kind of change, any kind of progress at all for like an extended period of time, and it's super frustrating. It's one of those things that make you like what am I even doing this for? Like, for what? But see, when you get to this point, this is going to determine whether or not you make it out of the dark tunnel and you see the bright side on the other end. So once you get past this, that's when the snowball starts to roll a little bit harder, and it becomes even harder and harder to stop. Now let me tell you guys a story about me real quick, because I remember like in the very beginning, I had a hard time being consistent too. So let's say I started lifting when I was 14, and I'm 24 right now. Of course, I was lifting every day because like I had to, I was forced to, so I had to lift. I did like it, but it was part of my grade, so I had to do it. But around the time that I graduated and I was 18, I didn't lift as much anymore because I didn't have money, so I couldn't go to the gym. I didn't have a gym membership. And also, I didn't have like any transportation, anything like that. I mean, excuses. Like I made a bunch of excuses when I was 18, but I was also working, I was too tired, and I just didn't go to the gym anymore, so I got kind of fat. And like I wanted to go back in, but I also didn't really have an idea what to do because like they just told me what to do. I didn't know what to do. We just did bench, squat. What else did we even do? I don't even remember. I think that the high school gyms were like bench, squat, bicep curl, and beat me. I don't remember what else we did, but we did all like the basic stuff, right? But around the time when I was 19, I worked at Budweiser. Like you guys know, like the beer company. Ironic, because I was underage and I worked at a beer place. But I was working at Budweiser, and on my way home, I realized that I got charged for Fitness 19 because I still had the membership. Because eventually I did get a membership like between 18 and 19, so I got charged for the membership, but I wasn't using it. And I'm like, you know what? I'm about to go ahead and go to the gym and cancel it. I'm about to go cancel it because I'm not using it. What do I need it for? And then when I got there, a voice in my head was like, "Hey, yo, dummy, why don't you just use the membership?" And I was like, you know what? That's probably a good idea. I'm gonna go ahead and just get the ball rolling because I wanted to get back into the gym, but I didn't really know how. So that's what I did. I walked in with my steel-toe boots, I jumped on the treadmill, and I started sprinting. I don't suggest that to anybody. It hurts. Like steel-toe boots are not they're not sportswear, obviously. But I had to start the snowball somehow, right? So that's what got me into more consistently. And at one point, I even said, "Oh, I don't want to lift weights. I don't want to get too big."
You bust a car?
All that stupid garbage. Like, a bunch of excuses and junk. But if I didn't go that day, if I canceled my membership, I would probably be fat right now, honestly. But the unfortunate thing is because most people who don't or are not indulging in the same habits that I do, they see someone like me who goes 6 days a week, right? And they're like, "Oh, wow, like I can never do that. I can never be that disciplined." But I'm like, dude, I don't even think about it. Like, look, this is what I do. I wake up every day, right? I'm asleep. And then like when it's, let's say if it's like Wednesday, right? Wednesday, for example, I'm asleep and I'm like, it's leg day? All right, let me get my clothes on. And then I get up and I go to the gym, right? It's not even like a consideration. I know what day I'm going to do for that day. And I go get my clothes on and I go. There is no, I don't feel like it. There's no, I'm tired. Like it's been cemented into my daily routine. Even if I don't want to do it. Look, I don't feel like, bro, I got thick legs and I don't feel like doing legs all the time, but I do it anyway because it's important. And I just made a video about not skipping leg day, so I'm not going to skip. But I got to make sure I get it done. And other people see that and they're like, I can never do that, because they go for the first couple of days, they get sore, and then they don't come back, which is unfortunate. Dude, it's easy. Like, I'm serious. Once that ball starts rolling, you don't even have to think about it anymore. Like, because they say that it takes Well, it's been scientifically proven that after 21 days, a habit has been cemented into your routine. So once you get past the 21 days, dude, it's just smooth sailing. Now, I really think that you can reap the rewards of getting a consistent regimen too. So this is what I want you to do. I want you guys to make a conscious effort and make a serious, concrete intention to go to the gym a certain amount of days. So let's say like you want to write it down on like a habit tracker or something like that. Say I'm gonna go to the gym 6 days a week and like make check boxes so you can check it off the day that you go. And I know it's gonna be a little bit uncomfortable because when you come home and you don't check off the box, then you're gonna feel bad. I want you to feel bad because that's gonna motivate you to get back into the gym again. If you missed it, you should feel bad about missing the gym, so you go back tomorrow. I mean, you're gonna be inconsistent in the beginning, but we're just starting for now. Make a checkbox for every single day and say, I'm gonna go to the gym. I go to the gym 6 days a week, but you might want to start like, let's say 4 times. Yeah, 4 times is a pretty modest number. So let's say 3 to 4 times, check it off when you get back from the gym, and then you feel good. You got brownie points for yourself. Congratulations. Also, one thing, make sure that this tracker is visibly in front of you at all times. Like I have pages right here that I see all the time. So like these are like some goals that I have, some progress goals, like some recordings and stuff like that. It's right in front of me, so I see it all the time. And I have my whiteboard too. So make sure that you can see it constantly. Again, don't put this in your notes. Don't put this on your PC. Stop it. Like put it somewhere where you can see it daily, okay? Don't hide it under your printer or nothing like that. You need to be able to see it, because if you forget your goals, then you're gonna be like, oh, you'll feel bad. No, you won't feel bad about skipping a day because you don't see it. It's there to remind you. This is your Sensei King Kai. I appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed it, like the video and subscribe. Deuces.